Hello student, good morning. Today we will study the remaining part, the chapter The Happy Prince, okay? And the first part we had studied that there is a bird swallow who was going to the Egypt. His friends already gone there. So he was going there. In between he had taken the shelter at the feet of the Happy Prince. And the Happy Prince who was crying and his tears that fell on the birds, okay, and bird asked him that why he was crying. Then Happy Prince stated he was very happy and he lived happy and died happily. And later his statues was built on high column, on a tall column, so he could see the misery of the city, right? And his body was covered with golden leaves. There are two sapphires in his eyes. There was a ruby in his sword hilt. So he asked, means a statue asked, Happy Prince statue asked a swallow to give those sapphires, ruby to the poor people, right? He could see the far away there was a woman was uh, who was very sad, and her son was suffering from fever, and her son was demanding foreign oranges, but she could not have any money to purchase the oranges for her son, so she was sad. So Happy Prince asked Swallow to give one of the sapphire to her, and Swallow agreed, and he had taken one of the sapphire from Prince's eyes and he had given to that lady. Then next day Swallow decided to go to the Egypt, but next day as he has gone to the Happy Prince asked him and requested him to stay one more night with him, and he asked to give one more sapphire to the playwriter who wanted to complete the drama जो complete करना चाहता, he wanted to complete the play, but there were no जो उसके घर में जो था फायरवुड नहीं थे, so he asked him to give him firewood, तो उसको लकड़ी देकर आए. So in this way he could warm his house and complete his play. So in this way Swallow helped Happy Prince in his demand. क्या डिमांड थी तो उसको देना था. Now we will study the further story. Page number 32. The next day Swallow flew down to the harbour. He sat on the mast of large vessel and watched the sailor working. So he went to the harbour. Harbour means जहाँ पर ships को रखी जाती है समंदर में, एंड मास्ट जो शिप होती है उसका जो ऊपरी का भाग होता है, उसको ऊपर का जो भाग होता है उसको मास्ट कहते हैं. सो ही सेट ऑन द मास्ट एंड वॉच द सेलर वर्किंग. सेलर मतलब जो पानी में जो तैरते हैं, शिप लेकर जाते हैं, उसको सेलर कहते हैं, राइट? I'm going to Egypt, cried the swallow, but nobody minded. He cried and he shouted and said that he is going to Egypt, but nobody mentioned him, और उसको इस पर nobody had given the attention to him, उसको उस पर किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया. And when the moon rose, he flew back to the Happy Prince. I have come to bid you goodbye, he cried. So he said that he is going to Egypt and he came there to wish him goodbye. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, will you not stay with me for night longer? So this is for the third time Happy Prince asking him or requesting him to stay with him one more night. It is winter, answered the swallow, and the snow will soon be here. In Egypt, the sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazily about them. So, Swallow said that here there is winter, और जो इजिप्ट में है वो ऑलरेडी समर सीजन इज़ देयर, एंड जो है ग्रीन पाम ट्रीज वहाँ पर है, वॉर्मथ है वहाँ पर, क्रोकोडाइल्स जो मड में लाई कर रहे और दे आर लेजी एंड हैप्पी अबाउट दे. सो इन द स्क्वेयर बिलो said the Happy Prince, there stand a little match girl. Now Happy Prince said that there is a match girl. She has let her matches fall in the gutter, and the matches जो matchsticks होती है वो गटर में गिर गई है। And they are spoiled. And the magicians are spoiled. Her father will beat her if she goes not bring home some money. And her father will beat her if she will not bring or she will not bring any money to the home. If she will go to the home without money, her father will beat her, and she is crying, and that is why the girl is crying, because she was crying over her magic fell into the gutter line. She has no shoes or stocking means long stock covering the legs, जो विंटर के सीजन में घुटने तक जो पहनते हैं लंबी socks. So she has no shoes or stocking, and her little head is bare, and the girl's little head is bare. Bare means open, no scarf, no cape. Pluck out of my other eye and give it to her, and her father will not beat her. तो आप पहले वो जो सिमस्ट्रेस थी उसको रूबी दी, फिर जो ये प्ले राइट था उसको 1 सफ़ायर दे दिया। अब एक सफ़ायर उसकी आँख में, दूसरा भी सफ़ायर है, तो हैप्पी प्रिंस कहता है कि प्लीज़ गिव दिस सफ़ायर टू दैट गर्ल, सो इन दिस वे शी विल सेल दिस, और मे बी वो उसको घर पर लेकर जाएगी तो उसके फादर उसको बीट नहीं करेंगे। I will stay with you 1 night longer, said the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your eye. You would be quite blind then. So swallow was agreed to live with him 1 more night, but he was not agreed to pluck the sapphire from his eyes, because in this way the happy prince statue will become totally blind. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command you. Okay, इसने कह दिया कि मैं जैसा कहता हूँ वैसा ही करो. So he plucked out the prince's other eye and darted means moved quickly down with it. He swooped means come ahead with a rush past the match girl and slipped the jewel into the palm of her hand. He had taken one of the sapphire from the happy prince and gave it to that girl. What a lovely bit of glass. वो लड़की सोचती है, उसको डायमंड के बारे में पता नहीं होगा, मे बी उसको सफ़ायर के बारे में पता नहीं होगा. वो सोचती कितना अच्छा टुकड़ा है ये, कांच का टुकड़ा है. Cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing. She was so happy. Then the swallow came back to the prince. You are blind now, he said, so I will stay with you always. So now happy prince was totally blind. उसकी जो दोनों सफ़ायर थे वो तो ऑलरेडी गिव अवे दे दिए. सो लिटिल स्वेलो वॉज वेरी काइंड टू हिम. उसने कहा कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू इजिप्ट, आई विल स्टे विथ यू, मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहूँगा. नो, आई विल स्टे. Okay, no, little swallow, said the poor prince, you must go away to Egypt. But here happy prince said that he should go to the Egypt. No, I will stay with you always, said the swallow, and he slept at the prince's feet. वहाँ पर उसके पैर के पास सो जाता है, right? All the next day he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him story of what he had seen in the strange lands. Okay, so now happy prince was totally blind, quite blind. So what is happening in the city? तो उसको ये स्वेलो बताता है what is happening in the city, कि पूरी सिटी में क्या चल रहा है. Dear little swallow, said the prince, you tell me of marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of men and women. He said that men and women are suffering. एंड सफरिंग मीन्स जो मिजरी, जो दुख होता है, गरीबाई होती है, उनसे गुजर रहे होते हैं, उसको सफरिंग कहते हैं. सो ही सेड दैट एनीथिंग इज द सफरिंग ऑफ मैन एंड वुमेन. देर इज़ नो मिस्ट्री सो ग्रेट एज मिजरी. ओके, एंड मिजरी जो पोरनेस है इज़ रियली अ मिस्ट्री, एक रहस्य है. Fly over my city, little swallow, and tell me what you see there. So that little prince said the swallow to go take a round in the city and tell him what is happening there in the city. So the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich making merry in their beautiful houses while the beggars were sitting at the gates. He saw that the rich people are so happy in their beautiful houses, and the poor people are sitting and the beggars are sitting at the gate of the rich people. He flew into the dark lanes, यहाँ पर जो गरीब लोग रहते वो lanes में भी वो street में भी वो जाता है, and so the white faces of starving children, वो slum area में भी जाती जहाँ पर वो देखती है कि बच्चों के white faces means भूख की वजह से जो पैल फेसिस हो गए. ही शो द वाइट फेसिस, और जो वाइट पीपल होते हैं वो स्टार्विंग में और वाइट हो जाती है, लेकिन जब वो हेल्दी होते तो रेड हो जाते, राइट. सो द वाइट फेसिस ऑफ स्टार्विंग चिल्ड्रन लुकिंग आउट लिस्टलेसली मीन्स सैडली एट द ब्लैक स्ट्रीट. Under the archway of bridge, two little boys were lying in each other's arm to try and keep themselves warm. So when there was archway means arch की तरह जो निकलता है वो bridge होता है, वहाँ पर दो बच्चे बैठे and they are keeping them each other warm. Okay, they were keeping themselves warm, मतलब एक दूसरे को हाथ में हाथ ऐसे रखते हैं कि ताकि वो एक दूसरे को warmth मिले, as it was winter season there. How hungry we are, हम कितनी भूखे हैं. They said, you must not lie here, shouted the watchman. And watchman was there, and watchman did not allow the two boys to sit there, and they wandered out into the rain. And two boys who were giving warmth each other, but watchman did not allow him to sit there. तो बेचारे वो बारिश हो रही थी फिर भी वो बारिश में गुम हो गए. Even they were not allowed to sit at the gate of the rich people. Then he flew back and told the prince what he had seen. Okay, whatever swallow had seen, he came to the happy prince and told him the story, told him everything that what he had seen in the city. I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. You must take it off leaf by leaf and give it to the poor and living always think that good gold can make them happy. So the happy prince said that his body is covered with gold leaves. So give these leaves one by one to the poor people and gold will help them, कि ये उसको हेल्प करेंगे. इसीलिए तो ये बॉडी में से मेरी बॉडी जो कवर की हुई है, just give this poor people. Leaf after leaf of fine gold the swallow picked off. Okay, एक के बाद एक, leaf after leaf, till the happy prince looked quite dull and grey. Okay, so sapphire were given, हिल्ट में से जो रूबी थी वो भी दे दिया. अब एक के बाद एक लीफ भी देता गया. सो द स्टेच्यू, हैप्पी प्रिंस स्टेच्यू was looking quite dull and grey. Leaf after leaf of the fine gold he brought to the poor. Okay, in this way swallow gave the leaf after leaf to the poor people, and the children's faces grew rosier. Rosier means pink. अब पहले जो white थे अब rosier दिखने लगे, because they laughed and played in the street, and the children who were laughing and playing in the street, we have bread now, they cried. अब वो जोर से वो चिल्ला कर कहते, हैप्पी होकर कहते कि वी हैव ब्रेड नाउ, अब हमारे पास खाने के लिए ब्रेड है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे वर हैप्पी. देयर फेसेस वर ग्रू रोजियर एंड दे वर लाफिंग एंड दे वर प्लेइंग, एंड फाइनली वी कैन से दैट दे वर हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन. Then the snow came, and after the snow came the frost. Okay, snow and frost generally can be seen in the winter season. The street looked as if they were made of silver. There was snowfall, and it was everywhere. White snow was there, so the street were looking like silver. Everybody went about in furs. Furs means warmth clothes जो थी उसमें वो cover थे अपने. And the little boys wore scarlet capes and skated on the ice. And द वर्ड स्कारलेट ऑल्सो फेमिलियर टू यू बिकॉज ये वर्ड जो है लेजेंड ऑफ द नॉर्थ लैंड में भी आ गया था. सो इट्स वन काइंड ऑफ केप. उसने जो रेड और ब्लैक कलर की सी केप आती वो पहनी होगी. एंड स्केटिंग जो आती वो कर रहे थे बच्चे. द पोर लिटिल स्वेलो ग्रू कोल्डर एंड कोल्डर. बट हियर स्वेलो वॉज फीलिंग कोल्डर एंड कोल्डर. उसको बहुत ठंड लग रही थी. बट ही वुड नॉट लीव द प्रिंस. बट ही वॉज सो काइंड टूवर्ड्स द प्रिंस. ही हैड अ काइंड हार्ट. तो स्वेलो को भी काइंड हार्ट था. ही डिड नॉट लीव द हैप्पी प्रिंस. ही लव्ड हिम टू वेल. क्योंकि वो हैप्पी प्रिंस को लव करता था, क्योंकि उसकी अच्छाई को वो प्यार करता था. He picked up crumbs outside the baker's door when the baker was not looking. Okay, crumbs means little bit piece. उसने बेकरी में से जो ब्रेड तक का लिटिल टुकड़ा ले लिया when the baker was not looking at him, and tried to keep himself warm by flapping his wings. But at last he knew that he was going to die. अब स्वेलो को पता चल गया कि because of winter season and because of cold he is going to die. He had just enough strength to fly. Okay, even he had not enough strength. उसमें इतनी भी enough strength नहीं थी. But he had just enough strength. इतनी enough strength थी कि वो हैप्पी प्रिंस के शोल्डर के पास वो जाकर बैठता है. Goodbye, dear prince, he murmured. Murmured means he speaks so softly. Will you let me kiss your hand? Okay, as he loved him. He loved happy prince, so he wanted to kiss to his hands. I am glad that you are going to Egypt at last, little swallow, said the prince. So happy prince said that he was happy that he is going to, he has decided to go to the Egypt. क्या आपने डिसाइड कर लिया इजिप्ट जाने का? So he was happy. You have stayed too long here, but you must kiss me on the lips, for I love you. उसने कहा कि मैं भी तुझे प्यार करता हूँ, so you have to kiss me on my lip because I love you too. It is not to Egypt that I am going, said the swallow. I am going to house of death. Death is the brother of sleep, is he not? So swallow said that he is not going to Egypt, but he is going to house of death. कि वो मृत्यु के दर पर जा रहा है. एंड मृत्यु जिसको स्लीप का ब्रदर कहा गया है. इज इट? सो डेथ इज ब्रदर्स ऑफ स्लीप. इज ही नॉट? एंड ही kissed the happy prince on the lips and fell down at his feet. You can see in picture at the page number 35. There is a statue and swallow, so dead body is there. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue as if something had broken. As swallow died at the feet of the statue. During this time, at that moment, उसी वक्त जैसे ऐसा लगा कि something sound, it was a cracking sound, came into the body of the happy prince. The fact is that the leaden heart had snapped means broke in right into two parts में उसका जो लीड का जो हार्ट रखा हुआ था वो भी टूट गया. It certainly was a dreadful hard frost. So dreadful means horribly. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in company with the town councillor. So here there were a councillor and mayor were on round. वो round पर निकले थे इस town में. As they passed the column, he looked at the statue. Dear me, how shabby the happy prince looks, he said. So the mayor said that what a dull statue it is. कितना ये सेबी मीन्स डल. उसने कहा कि ये जो स्टेच्यू है इट इज़ लुकिंग सो डल, सो शेबी. हाउ शेबी इंडीड, cried the town councillor, who always agree with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. So councillor also agreed with mayor, and they also said that what a shabby statue it is, and it is really shabby and it is really dull statue, and they went near it to observe it. The ruby had fallen out of his sword, his eyes are gone, and his golden no longer, so nothing was there. In fact he is little better than a beggar. वो beggar से भी बुरा लग रहा था. Little better than a beggar, said the town councillor. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. Mayor ने कहा कि देखो यहाँ पर dead bird भी है at the feet of prince. We must really issue a proclamation. Proclamation means announcement that birds are not to be allowed to die here. वो कहता है कि हम एक प्रोक्लेमेशन एक अनाउंसमेंट कर देगी कि बर्ड्स को यहाँ पर मरना मना है. सो ही वॉज सच अ फूल मेयर, वी कैन से दैट. एंड द टाउन क्लर्क मेड अ नोट ऑफ द सजेशन, और उसके लिए एक सजेशन भी नोट मतलब एक लिखा गया. So they pulled down the statue of Happy Prince. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer useful, said the art professor at the university. Professor at the university means art professor said that this statue is no longer useful, or it is just a waste and nothing. Then they melted the statue in a furnace. Furnace means जो भट्टी होती है, चूल्हा होता है, उसमें वो जो स्टेच्यू था उसको मेल्ट किया, पिघलाया गया. What a strange thing, said the overseer of workmen at the foundry. Foundry means जो भट्टी होती है उसमें एक उसने strange, they found a strange thing. This broken lead heart will not melt in furnace. We must throw it away. सो लीडन हार्ट जो था वो इट वॉज नॉट मेल्टेड, वो मेल्ट नहीं हुआ. एंड दैट इज़ वाई दे डिसाइडेड टू थ्रो इट अवे, उसको फेंक दिया. सो दे थ्रू इट ऑन द डस्ट हीप वेयर द डेड स्वेलो वॉज अलोंग लाइंग. ओके, ऑल्सो लाइंग. सो दे थ्रू, जो भट्टी में काम कर रहे थे उसने वो जो लीड हार्ट था वो भी फेंक दिया. दे थ्रू ऑन द गार्बेज हीप ऑफ गार्बेज वेयर द डेड बॉडी ऑफ स्वेलो वॉज लाइंग देयर. Bring me two most precious things in the city, said God to one of his angels. अब ये बात जो है पैराडाइज की है, स्वर्ग की है. God said to one of his angels के दुनिया में, ये अर्थ में से दो अच्छी चीज़ें लेकर आओ जो प्रीसियस हो, बहुत कीमती हो. And the angel brought him an leaden heart and the dead bird. So angel came on the earth and he taken the lead heart of Happy Prince and dead body of Swallow. यू हैव राइटली चूजन, सेड गॉड. भगवान ने कहा कि अरे आप तो पृथ्वी पर से दो अच्छी चीज़ें लेकर आए हो. फॉर इन माई गार्डन ऑफ पेराडाइज दिस लिटिल बर्ड शेल सिंग फॉर एवर मोर, एंड इन माई सिटी ऑफ गोल्ड द हैप्पी प्रिंस शेल प्रेज मी. ही सेड दैट दिस हैप्पी प्रिंस हार्ट विल प्रेज फॉर मी, एंड दिस बर्ड Swallow will sing a song for me and for God. The two beautiful things were Happy Prince Leadenheart and the dead body of Swallow. तो वो जब पैराडाइज में लेकर आते भगवान कहते हैं कि ये मेरे लिए गाना गाएगा, मीन्स बर्ड, एंड जो हैप्पी प्रिंस है वो मेरी तारीफ में मेरे पास ही रहेगा. सो हम कहेंगे कि उसको ये लेकर क्यों गए, बिकॉज दे हैड हेल्प्ड द पुअर पीपल एंड दे हैड काइंड हार्टेड. ओके, उसने पूरी दुनिया के लिए उसके दुख में वो भी दुखी हुए थे. एंड दैट इज़ वाई दोज वर प्रीसियस थिंग्स फॉर गॉड. और इसके बच्चों जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो आपको क्वेश्चन 1 to 6 जो है वो आपको आपकी होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.